Hello everyone, welcome to INVESTOFY. First of all, a disclaimer. Just so you know that this information is for educational purposes only. Now that being said, let's dive right in. So, the first thing we want to be looking at is how the markets closed last week. And for that, we're looking at the S&P 500, which records the top 500 companies. Well, not necessarily the top 500 companies, but the top 500 companies in the US market. And as you can see on a weekly chart, since the low from November of 2016, it's been up to about 240, and right now it's been in slight downtrend. I would not say it's a downtrend. So what I'm anticipating is that the S&P is going to continue moving up, because if you look on the left here, that it's been in this kind of a region for support, and we're anticipating anything above 236 can lead it to go back up to a good 238, 239, and ideally I would want it to go above 236.331, because then the trend would continue going up. So it's been a pretty strong uptrend. If anything, there's high probability of it continuing to go up. If there are any chances of the market weakening, we will keep you updated and will move our positions in the market accordingly. That being said, let's look at our positions for the coming week. So the first one we're looking at is New Skin Enterprises, and what we're looking at is in terms of buying this position. So for us, our ideal buying would be at above $56.31. So once the price breaks through it, there's a high probability that this stock can easily reach an additional 5 to 7% increase in value. So we're looking for that, for it to go to at least $62. So I'll send you guys a official alert, and we'll put the stop probably below here, just to be protected. Let's look at the next one, XPO Logistics. It's a very powerful logistics company. Again, we're looking at it, and we're probably going to look for a breakout at above 49.7. Yeah, 49.7, because this company is in a uptrend, as we can see here, and we anticipate it to continue rising in value. All right, Nordstrom. I will be looking to buy Nordstrom at about 48.47, the high of last week, and if that happens, there's a pretty good chance it can easily go up by more than 10% in value, or even 20%, because if you look at it from this chart, Nordstrom is near, it's built some support level here, near the 40, but it's dropped from 60 earlier or late last year, and earlier last year, or since 2015 levels when it was in the 70s. So there's high potential for this stock to go back into this region if it breaks out from this pricing point. Now let's look at WUBA. WUBA again has been in a bit of a downtrend, but that's changing. So if the price goes above $39.45, we're looking to buy it, and we're anticipating it to go easily around the $45 region. Zillow Group is right here. We anticipate to buy it at around $37 a share, and there's potential for it to go easily up to $40. If not, it can go up to $43, $45 if it breaks through this bit of a resistance level. Now, Sarepta Therapeutics is a very unique company, and it's something that excites me, but it also keeps me cautious. So whenever I would trade at least a biotech company like this, I have to get everything properly lined out. So for this one, I'm probably going to look around $35 to buy Sarepta, because here's the thing: if this breaks out above this pricing and continues going up, it can well go over $50. And you can be making over $10 a share in profits. So that's what makes it unique. And your downside could be very limited risk. That if you're making at least $10 a share in profit, we might put a stop around here, about $5 to $7 risk per share. So this stock can be very unique in that sense. All right, Gap was finally showing some strength, and it's been at a pretty low end. So this could be a very good, slightly undervalued stock to buy. So I would be looking at it going around close to $26 before looking to buy it. And I can anticipate it to go near $30 a share. Okay, silver. I like silver a lot. So I am looking for silver to break above the high out here at about 22.4, 22.5, and hopefully then it'll break over 23 and continue moving up to near either 24, 25, and even 26. All right, IPXL. IPXL for me would probably be around $15 a share. That's where I'm looking to break out, because from that price on, this thing can go easily close to $21 a share, or $21, yeah, in value at least. So there's a lot of potential in this company, and we're keeping our parameters pretty tight. So if it doesn't meet our parameters, if it doesn't hit near $15 a share, it'll continue going down, which is good because then we don't take the trade. And finally, for this coming week is AMD, a solid tech company, good financials. It's at $13 a share currently. It has seen a little bit of red days. The last couple of weeks have been down. So I'm looking for AMD to go close to $14 before I buy, because if it does, as you can see, it's near its all-time high. Its all-time high has been $14.30. And this is a stock that has moved really well from last year. In 2016, it was at its low at close to $1.80, and from there it's gone all the way within a year to over $14. So you could have made a killing in a trade like this. Solid company, low cost stock, and just kept on going. So I'm looking for that, and I'm looking for the stock to start moving back in that bullish trend that it has been in. And if that continues, then we would be looking to buy this and just monitoring it from there on, because I anticipate this stock going easily to the $17 mark. So there's a lot of profit potential here. Alright guys, so that was the basics for this coming week. We will be getting more in depth as the week progresses, and we will make more videos coming forth. Thank you and have a great day. Bye.